This is Jeff McGovern, the Pest Coach, and I want to show you the smallest system that Airofog has out of stainless steel for spraying. This is the mini spray, and the mini spray works off of a stainless steel tank, each one of which takes 16 ounces of product in this section from the brake ring on down to the base. So that 16 ounces or 500 milliliters of working product you have in this system. The top section here is used for pressurization. When you open it up, you're going to find on the pump cylinder versions very much the same type of equipment you find in the larger units. The exception being the cap and the handle in these small units are polycarbonate, but all of the connection points are set up metal to metal. So we're not stressing this plastic out every time we remove something. When you get inside, you're going to find the siphon tube out of stainless steel, angled this way to get to the bottom edge of the tank to draw out the most usable amount of product. You also have a stainless steel pump cylinder with miniaturized components inside where you would use the grease lubricant on the Viton. Viton inside, Viton here, Viton seals, far more durable than using other products. Where appropriate, you're going to have a pressure relief valve and a pressure gauge on the system, and you're going to need that when you take it apart because you have to depressurize to properly unscrew it. And with having a pressure gauge, you can be sure you're applying material at the right rates of application because there are products that ask for specific pressures to be applied at. Now, as far as the guns themselves, this is the larger gun that you might find on a gallon or half-gallon sprayer, except here it's not used with an extension. It's kind of a snub-nose version for tight areas. Very, very effective. You still have your 4-weight tip. If you'd like something lighter, you would go to the aerosol type gun. Now, in this case, you have a variety of tips and extensions you can choose from. You can go from short crack and crevice to really long crack and crevice. You can go for a hard extension, a flexible extension, wood tips, fine aerosol tips, different aerosol micron rate tips, all types of tips that you may want to find for the applications that you need in a lightweight gun. Now, all of the systems have swivels on the hoses. So when you're moving things around, you're not going to bind up those hoses and tangle them up. All of the systems come with a small tool so you can measure the amount of material you're applying. So you put this into your concentrate and you can put the proper dose rates into your cylinders so your chemical is mixed properly. They all come with a repair kit and they all come with the grease for the Viton. So you've got a very complete system here, but one other bonus is if you want to use a chargeable system, you can with the mini spray. You can have a system called the Benjamin that charges off of a standard CO2 cylinder. You simply remove this cap, screw on the adapter, it charges the system, you open things back up, take the charging system off, put the cap back on. Now you have a fully CO2 charged system with 16 ounces of product to go out and use however you feel appropriate. And of course, shut-off valves where appropriate or shut-off valves on the system itself. You have a lot of choices here. You have a lot of choices for precision application for your clients, and this is the way things are becoming. Doing things precisely and doing things exactly and putting the materials where they should be, not just everywhere. And so, this is Jeff McGovern, the Pest Coach, coming to you from Airofog, USA. You folks take care, have a wonderful day, and stay safe in the field.